Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again with another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark, back again with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at a new microphone, the Blue Yeti X World of Warcraft edition. That's a mouthful right there. But you know, before we get started, like I always saying, you know, one, I'm not an expert in this stuff. Two, I'm just a guy that loves tech and gadgets, and I like to showcase new products right here on the channel. Alright. Also, companies out there, if you want something to showcase or unbox on the channel, go ahead and check out my information in the description box. Alright. Also hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Alright. Fresh off the truck, man. Fresh off the truck is my new microphones, the Blue Yeti X World of Warcraft edition. So it's a special edition. Remember I told you about my old Blue Yeti went out on me because the connection right here must have got bent up or whatever. And then I messed around and so I've been using, since this one broke, I've been using the Movo Universal mic on the camera. That's what you're listening to now. And but I still needed another microphone for voiceovers and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So, and also you can use it for conference calls, all that good stuff. But yeah, I saw this I saw this somewhere and it was on sale. It was a good deal. So I was like, man, I gotta check it out. But I'm gonna leave a link for it down in the description box below so you can check it out and get more information. Matter of fact, let's get this plastic over so you can see this beautiful box. Get this plastic, got gold finger on deck. Take this plastic off. Like I say, just came in the door off the truck, man. FedEx, them, they just delivered it just now. Was it FedEx or UPS? I can't remember. All I knew, I was like, man, what? I was just excited to get it. So, because I heard the doorbell rings. I was like, okay. Alright. See this beautiful box? Like I said, this, you know, I ain't never played World of Warcraft, but you know, it was cheaper than the plain version. So the plain version, I think it was like $30 or $60 more. And this, for some reason, this one was on sale. So I mean, no brainer. Get the cheaper version. It's the cheaper one, and it's the exact same thing. Only difference is the colorway. No brainer. Alright, but check out this box. I know my ring light is just so bright. You see that? Blue Yeti X World of Warcraft. My ring light is not doing me any justice. See the back, see the side of the box. Bring it a little closer so you can pause that and read it for yourself. This thing got some weight to it too. Here's the back of the box. You can pause this and read it for yourself. Excuse all the traffic out here. My office is right by a major road, so also let me see. Alright, you didn't see this other side. Check it out. And this is the other side of the box. Give you a close-up. Alright. See what's on top. Oh, nothing but Blue Yeti World of Warcraft. Alright. So what we're gonna do right now is hold on. Okay, yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now is go ahead and take this over to the unboxing table so we can get this thing out of the box and talk more about it. Alright? Yo, Skippy. Okay. We got it right here on the table. Let's get ready to get this thing out of the box, but let you see the box one more time. At the front. It says Blue Voice Discord certified. Let's see. Man, this is a pretty looking mic. This is a pretty looking mic. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. That's what we're bringing over here for, to get it out of the box. Got gold finger, always on deck. Alright. Night gold finger. Alright. Let's take this thing out of the box. See what we got. Well, I'm about to rip the box up. Let's see here. What is, oh man. Oh man. Looks like we're gonna need Goldfinger again. Let's go ahead and set this box to the side. Open this. Man, they got it packed real good. I gotta give it to them. Blue Yeti know how to pack that stuff up. So you won't get no broken product. Bam. Got some little literature right here. You can pause this and read it for yourself. Alright, we're going to throw that to the side. Looks like you got some more pamphlets, maybe a warning or warranty, I don't know. Let's take this off, this foam off. Oh man, this is a nice little presentation right here. Little foam, got it to protect it. That's pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's throw that foam to the side. What is this? Okay, let's take this cord out. Oh, micro USB cord. The other one had the mini USB, so the micro USB cord. Okay, okay, not too bad. Look at the long cord. Let's see what else is in the box. The star of the show. Wow. Let's set this box to the side right here. Because there's nothing else in the box. Just double check. Wait a minute, what is this? There is. Yes, what is this? No, silica for the trolls. Man, I thought it was something else in the box. Let's put this back on the box. That foam in there. So if we want to store it one day. Alright. Here is, let's move these papers to the side over here. Here is the star of the show. The Blue Yeti X. Like I said, this is one step above the regular Blue Yeti. And now also this is like the special edition of the Blue Yeti X. Give you a close up of that. Come on, focus camera. Camera don't want to focus. There we go. World of Warcraft. Got your pattern buttons right here. Nice tactile buttons. See on the back. Okay. Little wheel right here. Got your blue logo right here. I'm kind of digging this black and gold. It's almost like a gray, a dark gray, but a black and gold color. It's pretty cool. Got a nice little stand like the other one has. This thing is heavy. It's sturdy. That's metal. You hear my ring hitting against that's metal. And this is, like I said, this is what makes it special edition. It got this World of Warcraft symbols all on it. I have no idea what they mean. All I know is I needed a new mic, you know, so I could do voiceovers. But man, this is pretty slick. I got the little blue logo right here in gold. There you go, camera focus. And on the bottom, got some suede or felt, you know, rubber to keep it from moving or whatever. But this thing is heavy. Got your little twisty knobs on here so you can adjust it. Let's go ahead and take this thing back to the desk. Yo, Skippy, send us back to the desk. Alright, now that we got it out of the box and got it back over here on the desk, let's take a look at it. I already put a 3.5mm cord in here so I can go ahead and hook it up to the camera. But before I hook it up to the camera, give you another, I'm going to take it out, give you another close-up of it. Here is the Blue Yeti itself. Buttons and everything on here. It's got a light up display. I'm going to plug it up in a minute and show you the light up display once we do the sound test. But and it's got some weight to it too. This thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. As you can see, the little writing on the bottom. I don't know if the camera is picking up in it real good, but it's got this little Warcraft stuff right here. World of Warcraft. Little signs or whatever it is. Nice little felt material right here, and rubber bottom. Like I said, when you finish with it, you can turn it upside down to put it up, you know, or to take it with you somewhere. Get the dust off of here. Here's the cords on the bottom. Here's the bottom of it. So if you want to hook it up to a boom mic or microphone arm or whatever. And so it's got the blue right here and the blue on the back. All right. I think it looks a lot better than the older one I had right here, the blue Yeti. I mean, don't get me wrong, this was a nice one too, but I kind of like this one, you know, this version better than this version. But this one served its purpose, you know, did what I needed to do, so it's time to move on. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this out of the way and do the sound test. All right, the first sound test is what you're hearing now is from the microphone from the Movo microphone. All right, then I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up, and so you can hear the sound from here, and then the third one is going to be just the sound from the camera. All right, here we go. Okay, this is a test of the Blue Yeti X microphone. Again, this is a sound test of the Blue Yeti X microphone. This is the World of Warcraft edition. How does it sound? Does it sound better than the camera, or does it sound better than the Movo? This is a test. Okay, this is a sound test of the camera's microphone. Again, this is a sound test of the camera's microphone. Can you tell the difference between this microphone and the Blue Yeti X? Does it sound better than the Blue Yeti X? Alright, this is the sound test of the camera microphone. Okay, now here is the sound from the camera, not the camera microphone, but the Movo microphone, the microphone I've been using for a while. So as you can listen to all the sound samples and all the different tests, you can make a determination of which one sounds better to you. And I think this one's going to, this Blue Yeti X is going to beat that out, beat all of them out. So for now on, this is going to be my, you know, permanent mic, and then the Movo is going to be my backup mic, or you know what? I think I'm going to use that on my other camera. So that's why I'm going to use that for my other camera, backup camera. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do with that one. And this one, you know, this was a good mic. You know, I'm sad to see it, you know, that it broke, you know, but you know, it is what it is. It lasted for a few years, so you know, and it was probably user error because I kept bending and moving and twisting the cords, and that's how it broke. So you know, can't you know, bash it too bad, you know, because like I say, part of it was user error. I wish it would have been a little bit more sturdy. Now I just gotta be careful with this one. But let me put this to the side. So yeah, I mean, this is a cool mic, and then with all the little features it has on here, as you can see, you can hear it, you can see the little, it's lighting up as I talk. You have the little sound meter on there. That's too cool. That's too cool. Also, when you hold it in, it goes to the gain mode. That's how you change the gain. You have to hold it in. Now if you want to click it, you see that red light ring around there. I don't know if you can see it because my light. Let me bring this light down. Let me bring this light down a little bit. Alright, you can see that red light on there. That's letting you know that it's muted. And you see the green ring, that lets you know that it's recording. This is live. And you know, this is how you adjust the gain. Now you hold it down once. I forgot what mode they call that, but you know, I won't be using that mode anyway. And then you click it back. Then you got your sound meter. You can see, as you can see, this thing going to the my sound. It's letting you know if it's peaking or whatever. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You can adjust, you know, the volume with this also. This is the mode where you adjust the volume. It turns blue, and then after you leave it alone, it goes back to being a sound meter. So that's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. And this is where your different settings on here, like the corduroy, you know, or you want to hear omnidirectional, you know, all the other settings that you want to hear, like you want to hear it all around. And most likely I'm gonna be having it on the corduroy, whatever they call it. I call it corduroy, whatever. But you just hear it out of one side, and then they have the other one setting on there where you can hear it out of the front and the back. And like I said, the Omni is all the way around. Also, it has a stereo, so it has a lot of different, you know, features, you know, for, you know, an affordable mic. And plus, excuse me, not to mention, it's a special edition. It was cheaper than the regular edition of the Blue Yeti X, you know. And I don't know nothing about, you know, Warcraft, but I was like, I saw it, I say, that's a no-brainer. You know, get the cheaper version. Plus, it's a, you know, special edition. And the colorway, I'm liking this gold and dark gray. They're pretty cool. Oh, I know you've seen that I put I ordered one of these. And I'll put a link down in the description box for this, you know, for a little windscreen or muff or whatever you want to call them. I had one on the other one, but that kind of, you know, helps with all the P's and all that, you know, so you won't hear a lot of popping or whatever. Kind of breaks that up. So that's like that's a pop filter. That's what they call it. Mine draw the blank. It's pop filter. But yeah, overall, like I said, I'm satisfied with it, and I'm thankful to have it because, like I said, it's a decent microphone, man. Look at this, man. It's too cool. This thing won't stay on. If I put this upside down, this thing probably ain't gonna stay on. But we'll time will tell, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it back on the boom arm or, you know, the microphone arm, or if I'm gonna leave it on the desk. But I'll be testing out in the weeks to come. But yeah, this is gonna be my main driver. Like, if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Tell that friend to subscribe, and tell that friend to subscribe. It's easy, it's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. Alright? It's too easy. Alright? And I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. What was I going to say? Well, I know I was going to say. Treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? Alright. And before we get to the message today, any of you companies out there that want something to unbox or showcase on the channel, go ahead and go down to the description box and you'll find my information on there to get in contact with me, or just go ahead and send the product on. Alright? Alright, and like I said, if you want to know more about this product right here, go ahead and go down to the description box. I'm pretty sure it's something I left out. Like I said, I'm not an expert, but if you want to check out more information on this Blue Yeti X, click on that description box. If you want to get one for yourself, click on the description box. Alright? Alright, the message for the day is, let's see here. Think before you react. Alright? Think before you react. You know, I had an old company commander when I was on in the Army. He used to give us the safety briefings on the weekend. He would always say, you know, or a long weekend, a holiday weekend, he was like, hey, think 7 seconds before you react. Alright? So that gives you time to think, is this a good idea or is it not a good idea? And a lot of times when you have to think about it, it might not be a good idea if you got to think, you know, more than 7 to 10 seconds, you know, might not be a good idea. So that's a message for the day. Think before you react, and I might need to slow it down. Alright, this has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws Reviews. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.